In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add titles in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started inside DaVinci Resolve with your timeline open on the edit page. And this is where you'll place and customize your text so it sits cleanly over your footage. If your interface looks busy, don't worry, we'll focus on just a couple of panels to keep things simple. First, open the effects library. You'll find the effects button in the top left of the edit page. Click it to reveal the toolbox. If the panel was already open, clicking simply toggles it, so make sure it stays visible while we work. Inside the toolbox, head to Titles. Here you'll see two main kinds of options. Basic Title is a straightforward, static text layer that's quick to add and easy on your computer. Fusion titles are animated and more dynamic, great for stylish openers or lower thirds. They can be a bit heavier to render, so choose based on the look you want and the performance you need. When you've picked a title, drag it directly onto your timeline and place it on a track above your video. That upper layer ensures the text appears over your footage instead of replacing it. Drop it right where you want it to start, and don't worry about timing yet. We'll refine that in a moment. Click the title clip to select it, then open the inspector in the top right. This is your control center for text. Type in your wording, choose a font that matches your project's tone, and adjust size and color for readability. If your background is busy, pick a color with strong contrast. Use alignment and spacing controls to keep the text balanced, and keep an eye on the viewer so you're composing to the frame, not just the panel. To set how long the title stays on screen, hover your cursor over the edge of the title clip. When the trim icon appears, click and drag to extend or shorten the duration. Short, punchy titles work well for quick cuts. Longer durations suit informational captions. Zoom in on the timeline if you need finer control. For polish, stay in the inspector and add a drop shadow to separate your text from the background, or enable a simple background to create a clean bar behind your words. For motion, keyframe properties like position, size, or opacity. Set a starting value, move the playhead to where the change should end, and adjust the property. DaVinci Resolve will animate between those points. Play back your sequence to confirm timing and legibility. That's all you need to confidently add clean, professional titles in DaVinci Resolve.